great start to the day. Fucking A.
Well, fuck. That's awesome.
Alright, a couple of excruciating hours later, got the U-joint all pulled out. You know, she decided to want to check out what are needle bearings. But, notice that it sheared a bolt off right here, but the yoke don't look too good. Yeah, it's had a better life. It's definitely lived a better life at some point. So we're going to need a yoke. And obviously the proper spider. So there's that. You know, if you got work on these fucking 745s, at least they could do is get you a pair of, boom, camel mill socks, baby. Because right now, I'm in some serious fucking pain, but you know what? My feet aren't, so there's that. So, on to the next day to fix this fucking turd. With the finest of whipper blades for the old international boys. Ooh, that's satisfying, boys. That is satisfying wipes. Alright, a couple of fun-filled, excruciating hours later. Drive shafts in, new U-joint, new wing, new wear sleeve, all new seals. So we'll finish putting this thing back together, lower the old cab here, give her a start and see if, you know, this is connected still. Or did the transmission have problems? Oh no! Alright boys, maiden voyage. She moved. Now for the fun part. Let's take her for a test drive. Oh, that fantastic time where it's transmission warm-up, so 5 miles an hour. But so far, she's holding in. No loud clunks. Maybe they should install a damn drive shaft hoop. I don't know. Alright, so a few hours into scan, link, and chill. Where are we at right now? So, I've already built my cab harness here. That's been a ball of fun. So, because the fuse panel is kind of a circuit, is basically an integrated circuit board, we're just going to have to do this the old school way. So, we've got our supply here at white wire. Got green wire, if you guys can follow that there. That's going back over to our supply side, which is actually going to be for a backup alarm, because they want this active with the backup alarm, and then of course our ground circuit right there, and it's running back through here, and it's going to split off going into the cab right in here, sorry, right in there, and goes right where the evaporator is, right in there. Do some 3Ys, 2Y splices, then run it all the way up top there. You guys can see the old ScanLink unit right up there. So this has been a great time. And whoever designed these cabs where there's hardly any intrusion point without having to drill into it, come on. This was absolutely a nightmare. But I'm not going to make fun of Product Link, guys, anymore. From here on out, no more Product Link funny business, at least for now. All right, boys, finished product. Got everything kind of routed there. Back through the bezel, back through the bottom of the cab, as you guys seen previously. This is the upper harness here, getting connected to the lower harness here, and 2 sets of ground supply and reverse signal. So now she works, so yay.
Man, it's dang old complicated, you know, man. It's like a dang old Rubik's Cube, man. You like talking about blue, red, man, then you get to one side, and then you like messed up the other side.
Oh, the joys, boys. Oh, the joys. A little compressor work on an old clapped out 315. Yay. Well, boys, after an hour of fun, we got the old one out, and we got the new one right here. Not a very difficult job, but it's just kind of tight quarters with the Mitsubishi S6S engine in there, and obviously being a 360, it's kind of tight, but once you get the belt out the way and you kind of move some shit out the way, not a bad deal. So we're going to get this installed, make sure they want it to hold a vacuum, because this thing's got a potential leak somewhere in yonder. Well, you boys hear that? That's just dollars going right out the condenser. God damn it, some bitch. Fuck. It's always the little ones that'll give you the headaches, boys. The little ones. I might not be a rocket surgeon, but that seems like an awful lot of shims. I mean, tell me if I'm wrong or not, but I don't believe you should be having this much noise out of your blade. I mean, I don't know. Again, not a rocket surgeon, but that's a lot of play. Tremble system might not be working that great because, well, you have all this excessive play in your blade. Just the more you know. I'll tell y'all something. There's getting paid by the hour, and this fuel pump is definitely getting paid by the hour. This motherfucker is moving slower than hell.